Hey everyone, it's Claire again, and today I'm going to be doing a SHEIN haul from some items that I recently purchased on SHEIN. And normally I purchase clothing from SHEIN. I'm really excited because SHEIN has a lot of other things to offer as well. I got some jewelry supplies. So some little jump rings, some beads. You can get like tons of cute little beads. I also got some makeup. So this is like a sparkly makeup type eyeshadow. Can try later maybe. I also got these fake nails from SHEIN, which I put on earlier, and we'll see how long they last. This is some gel top coat nail polish. Lots more beads, so you can see there's tons of different styles, colors. Some sparkly eyeliner. Wire from SHEIN. Lots of more jewelry supplies. Makeup remover wipes. More beads. Even more beads. And one of these, what's this? It's that thing that you use to like massage your face with like oils. Tea lights. So cute little tea lights that you could put out or whatever you want to do. I don't know if I need to put a battery or I guess I'll have to figure that out. But yeah, they're little candle tea lights. Some press-on nails because I'm just experimenting with press-on nails lately because painting my nails seriously is getting old and the nail polish always chips off. And the two pairs of shorts that I got, like some super cute boho flowy shorts, and then the second pair are these like blue shorts, which I don't know if I'm really feeling this color on me. I'm not sure. It looked a little different when I was looking at it online, but I'll still try it on anyway. So here is one of the eyeshadows. And I guess you just like put it on like that and it gives you some like double color situation. And here's the second eyeshadow. This is like an eyeshadow pencil. So you just like put it over your eyelids. And this is like a shimmering gold color. So I'm excited. That's my SHEIN haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you like this video, please do like and subscribe for more. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.